Addressing today's IT field problems with all-in-one coding app. Imagine in a world where learning to code is as accessible as sending a text message. Hi, I'm John Alexis Roldan, and I'm excited to introduce to you CodeMaster, all-in-one app designed to tackle the challenges of coding education and skill development in today's fast-paced landscape. The problem. Today, the IT sector is facing significant challenges despite the growing demand of skilled programmer. Many aspiring coders struggle to find effective learning resources. Traditional coding's education can be expensive, inaccessible, leading to skills gap where millions tech job remains unfilled. Moreover, many learners feel overwhelmed by the complexity of the programming languages and lack support they need to succeed. Codemaster is here to address these issues head-on. Our apps combined with interactive coding tutorials, and supportive community mentorship opportunities and real-world problems all in one platform. Here it how works. It starts by downloading the app, which is named by Codemaster, and access the you can access the comprehensive library interactive coding courses covering popular programming HTML like Python, JavaScript, and HTML CSS. Each course features hands-on exercises, quizzes to reinforce you on learning. So let's go to community support. Engage with our built-in community forum where you can ask questions, share experiences to connect with fellow learners and experienced developers. This collaboration space foster knowledge and sharing and support. Mentorship program. Utilize our mentorship features to connect with industry professionals who can guide you through coding journey, whether you're beginner looking for advice or an experienced coder seeking to refine your skills. Our mentor are here to help. And resources hub. Access curated collection of articles, videos, coding tools, enhance your programming knowledge, and others things like AI all in one convenient location. So, Codemaster tagline: all in one app for learning, connecting, and creating the world of coding. If you're passionate about transforming your coding skills, if you want to join us in this mission, let's connect. You can reach me on email or other things like social media. Together we unlock the potential of aspiring coders and empower the next generation to teach innovators. Thank you.